Hello everyone. Today I am going to solve a very interesting exponential problem. The problem is 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x equal 130. So first of all rewrite this question. Now we can write 8 as a 2 to the power cube. So 2 to the power cube to the power x plus 2 to the power x equal 130. Now we know that 8 to the power m to the power n equal a to the power mn. So you can write 2 to the power 3x plus 2 to the power x equal 130. Now we can write 2 to the power x to the power 3 plus 2 to the power x equal 130. Here 2 to the power x and 2 to the power x, let 2 to the power x equal m. So this equation will be m to the power cube plus m equal 130. Now we assume the value of m. We assume the value of m. The value will not be negative because if m is negative then the whole number will be negative. But here 130 is positive. So let m equal 2. So 2 cube plus 2, that means 2 cube means 8 plus 2 10. 10 equal 130. It's not possible. Let m equal 4. Then 4 cube plus 4 equal 4 cube means 64 plus 4 means 4 equal 68. It not equal 130. So if we take 5, m equal 5, then it will be 5 cube plus 5. 5 cube means 125 and plus 5. So 130. So if we put m equal 5, m equal then 5 cube plus 5 equal 130. That is possible. So we can write m cube plus m equal 130. Now we know that m equal 5. So m equal 5. That means m means 2 to the power x. We put the value of m, 2 to the power x equal 5. Now take log in both sides. Take log in both sides, then log 2 to the power x equal log 5. Now we know that log a to the power x equal x log a. So here x log 2 equal log 5. Now divide log 2 in both sides, then log 2 cancel out, here remain log 5 divided by log 2. So x equal log 2 base 5, because log a base log v equal log a base log v equal log b base a. So similarly we can write log 5 divided by log 2 equal log 2 base 5.